Best hiking trails around the world, your ultimate guide to adventure. Are you ready to set out on a journey guided by nature, fueled by wanderlust, and filled with life-changing memories? Whether you're a seasoned trekker or a casual explorer, this guide will take your passion for hiking to extraordinary new heights. Step into a world of breathtaking trails spanning rugged mountain peaks, lush forest paths, and serene landscapes that await your discovery. From the iconic trails of New York to hidden waterfall gems around the globe, every step you take will bring you closer to nature's most majestic offerings. Let's dive into this adventure-driven guide to the best hiking trails around the world. Hiking is more than just a workout. It's a gateway to exploring the world's raw and untamed beauty. Imagine scaling jagged cliffs, trekking through misty greenery, or hearing the roar of cascading waterfalls. These are the moments that stay with you forever. Not only does hiking improve your physical and mental well-being, but it also fosters a deep connection to nature. For adventure seekers, it's a chance to break free from the mundane, step into the unknown, and celebrate the thrill of discovery. Who says you can't find adventure in the city that never sleeps? New York offers an incredible blend of natural beauty and urban charm. Trails like the Breakneck Ridge in Hudson Highlands State Park offer challenging climbs with panoramic views, while places like Bear Mountain State Park feature family-friendly routes. For those just getting started, the Appalachian Trail runs through New York, offering a mix of laid-back trails and more difficult paths for seasoned hikers. Every trail tells its own story, offering adventures at every turn. What is it about waterfalls that sparks such wonder? The sheer power of the rushing water, the calming spray on your skin, and the beauty of the surrounding landscape make waterfall hikes irresistible. Chase these awe-inspiring sights at global spots like Iguazu Falls in South America, Iceland's Skogafoss, or Vernal Falls in Yosemite National Park. These trails not only rejuvenate you, but also reward your efforts with some of Earth's most spectacular sights. Sometimes, the greatest adventures lie off the tourist maps. Hidden trail gems provide solitude, serenity, and true immersion in nature, unlike anywhere else. Explore Japan's Kumano-Kodo, where moss-covered pathways take you to sacred shrines, or Slovakia's Slovak Paradise, a whimsical destination with ladders leading through wild gorges. These are trails not defined by fame, but by their ability to set your soul on fire. Whether you're a veteran trekker scaling high-altitude peaks or a casual hiker looking to unwind, there's a trail for you. Beginner-friendly paths like Ireland's Glendale Lakes Loop offer leisurely routes packed with scenic beauty, while Nepal's Annapurna circuit caters to thrill seekers chasing high-altitude challenges. No matter your experience level, don't be afraid to lace up your boots and dive in. The trail always meets you where you are. For adventure seekers craving rugged climbs and breathtaking rewards, mountain trails are the holy grail. Take on the exhilarating switchbacks of the Rocky Mountains, marvel at the jagged spires of Patagonia's Torres del Paine, or attempt the ultimate challenge on Tanzania's Mount Kilimanjaro. The higher you climb, the farther you rise above life's everyday challenges, and the views from the top? Unforgettable. If the silence of nature is calling to you, dense forest trails ensure a soul-soothing journey. Trek through the emerald rainforests of Costa Rica, where sloths and toucans guide your way, or immerse yourself in Washington's Olympic National Park, where towering trees form a green cathedral. Here, the rustle of leaves and song of birds act as a soundtrack to your adventure. Every great hiking adventure starts with proper preparation. Key items you'll need include sturdy hiking boots, weather-appropriate clothing, a backpack with water and high-energy snacks, and basic first aid supplies. Add a map or GPS device to keep your bearings, and don't forget sunscreen and bug repellent for outdoor comfort. Your gear can make or break your experience, so plan wisely based on your chosen trail. Adventure is thrilling but comes with its risks, which is why safety is paramount. Always check trail and weather conditions before starting. Let someone know your hiking plans, especially for remote areas. And most importantly, don't push past your limits. The trail will always be there for future adventures. Staying alert and prepared ensures that every step of your journey is as safe as it is exciting. Timing your hike is crucial for making the most of your adventure. Some trails shine brightest in spring, like Japan's cherry blossom paths, while fall offers fiery foliage on trails, such as New England's Acadia National Park. Winter adds a touch of frost and magic to certain trails if you're brave enough to embrace snow-covered paths. With careful planning, every trail can offer its best version to you. As adventurers, it's our duty to respect and preserve the beauty of nature. Practice leave no trace principles by avoiding littering, staying on designated paths, and not disturbing wildlife or local flora. Let's ensure these trails stay pristine for generations of hikers to come. Every small effort makes a big impact in protecting the environment. Take advantage of technology to elevate your hiking experience. Apps like AllTrails help you find routes, while GPS trackers ensure you stay on course. Emergency devices like personal locator beacons provide extra assurance in remote destinations. Modern tools can help you focus on the adventure while navigating safely and responsibly. Hiking often brings you closer to wildlife, creating unforgettable moments. You might spot deer alongside Appalachian trails or majestic condors soaring over the Andes. Always respect their space and observe from a distance, as these creatures are part of what makes the hiking experience magical. Some paths are much more than just trails. They're stories waiting to be told. Walk the Camino de Santiago in Spain, a centuries-old pilgrimage, or trace history along Peru's Inca Trail to the iconic Machu Picchu. These trails connect you not only to nature, but humanity's collective past. Walking these routes creates a bond between you, the land, and its heritage. As you hike, remember to pause and soak in the beauty around you. Capture photos of towering peaks, shimmering waterfalls, or simply the golden light breaking through the trees. These snapshots freeze moments in time, reminding you later of the wonders you've explored. Each photo tells a story, your story, of courage, adventure, and discovery. While hiking can be a solitary escape, it also fosters meaningful connections. Group hikes often spark friendships bound by adventure, while conversations with fellow wanderers bring new perspectives and travel tips. Even if you hike solo, encountering people who share your passion can make the journey more fulfilling. From iconic mountain ranges and lush forests to serene waterfall trails and hidden gems, the world is waiting for you to explore its most magnificent paths. Hiking isn't just about reaching the destination. It's about the journey, the sights, the sounds, and the incredible memories you create along the way. So, pack your bags, lace up your boots, and let nature guide your next adventure. Whether you seek a physical challenge, inner peace, or a bit of both, hiking these trails will transform the way you see the world and yourself. Let's hit the trail.